Today I'm sharing 3 refreshing watermelon summer recipes. The first one is watermelon lemonade. For this, take 2 cups of watermelon pieces that have been chilled. Add that to a blender jar along with 1 mint leaf, about 10 drops of lime or lemon. Sprinkle a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and we are ready to blend this. Once blended, we are going to strain to take out any seeds or pulp, and your watermelon lemonade or limeade is ready. The next recipe is a cooling watermelon slush. For this, take 1 cup of watermelon pieces and cut them in small pieces. Make sure to take out any large black seeds from the watermelon, but the small white seeds are okay. Cover and freeze the watermelon pieces for at least 3 to 4 hours till they are completely frozen. Now it's time to transfer them into a blender jar, and if the watermelon isn't sweet enough, you can add a little bit of honey or sugar, whatever you wish. Add some drops of lime juice or lemon juice. You can also add some mint leaves for some refreshing taste. Blend it and your watermelon slush is ready. This recipe is so much fun. The last recipe, my kids' favorite, is a watermelon banana popsicle. For this, take 1 cup of watermelon pieces. Make sure to take out the large black seeds. If there are any small white seeds, that's okay. Transfer them into a blender jar along with half a banana. When you blend watermelon with banana, it forms a much more smooth paste. So when you freeze it, the popsicles have much smaller crystals of ice, and the texture is a lot better. If you want, you can only freeze watermelon juice instead, but we like it like this. It is delicious. For more exciting recipes like this, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so the next recipe comes straight to you. Alright then, bye-bye.